If you're thinking about the community leadership program, it's absolutely incredible. It is a wonderful mix of academic and intellectual development mixed with practical applications, and that I think is just so important. Just it had everything that I wanted out of a grad school program. It had a lot of social justice aspects of it. It is an amazing chance to understand things on a theoretical basis, but then also know what does it look like to apply certain frames of mind in your daily experiences. And it just had an overall sort of aura of trying to improve the world in some type of way, which is like the eventual path I wanted to go on. And I didn't think I could find a grad program that was really about that. And the community leadership was, and I loved it. And as soon as I saw it, that was the only one that I wanted to really go for. I think everybody should at least develop some sort of social justice understanding of the world, and that's what the community leadership is all about.